Hey, it's your guy, Alvin K from the YouTube channel, Yardscaper Al. Feel free to like, comment, and to share. Back with another one. It's been a while since I posted. The fall has come in central North Carolina. Looking forward to the cooler weather where I can get out here and do my thing. In this channel, I show you how to keep your yard nice and green. And at the current moment, mine is under construction, which is cool. There was a dip in my yard, so I had a construction guy come and use his construction vehicle and cut down my yard, which is cool because I can get ready to get my rake and get the rough out of here, the rough rocks or whatever, the rough part of the landscape. And then I'll go in and put a nice yard in here. And these are trees that I planted. On this channel, I show you how to have a beautiful lawn. I plant trees, I plant bushes, and soon we'll be doing some gardening, growing fruits and vegetables. But I just wanted to get on here, man, and take a good shot of this real quick before it's transformed. This is the before, and in a little while you'll see the after. But yeah, I do a lot of tinkering out here in the yard. And I like my time and space and peace out here when it's peaceful. Oh man. So I had rose bushes here. They were beautiful. It was a row all the way down here. But the rose bushes, they're knockout roses. You gotta kind of be careful with, because if one gets sick, they all get sick. So they didn't make it, but I got a plan for all this, and hopefully this weekend coming, I can get out here and get rid of my clover and beautify this, prep it for new plants and flowers. Again, it's your guy, Alvin K. Let's get a quick look at the beautiful fall colors before they go away. From the YouTube channel, Yardscaper Al. Feel free to like, comment, and to share. Peace and love. Until the next one, later.